welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my May 2018 Glossybox. And it is a designed box this month. Sometimes they do plain pink boxes. This month it is a design. And it says eat, sleep, travel, repeat. It's very summery. Very summery to me. It reminds me of summer with the yellow and the pink and the little planes on the side. It reminds me very much of summer. So I opened this and I just like automatically felt better. I know that sounds corny, but you know, the box that it comes in, if you've never seen it, is this black one. So to open this up and see this, it was just, I don't know, it lifted my spirits. If you're wondering, this says it's variation 4. I'm not quite sure what that means, but we shall see in just a moment. I'm going to go ahead and open this box. I will say one thing. This is a $21 per month box. You can get specials on it, but it is $21 per month. The one thing that I will say that is kind of odd about this box is that, like, I got the shipping notice, I don't know, like 3 or 4 days ago, and it said it was going to be delivered, you know, between a time frame. And I just checked the tracking on this morning, and it said that it had not gotten to the origination location yet. And it showed up today. And it was coming from Indiana. So the tracking, not so good. And I know that's not necessarily Glossybox fault. I think it's Nugistics, maybe? Something like that. Is their tracker system? Yeah, not very good. Anyway, there is a little card in here. It looks like there's something from John Masters Organics in here, because that's a card for them. And there's another card in here for a magazine. And then there's the Glossybox card. This opens up and it has all of the products on the inside. All right, there are 5 products in here. I'm going to put that aside for right now. And then we will get into this. So it has a yellow ribbon, which is very summery again. And then the paper, though. Let me show you the paper. Hold on. The paper is like a map design. You can see that. That's kind of neat. Okay, and here is the box. First impression, opening up and looking at it, not real excited about it right now. We'll see. Okay, I'm going to take these first things out of here because it belongs with that little card that we got. These are the John Masters Organics Shampoo and Conditioner. This is the Evening Primrose Shampoo for dry hair and the Lavender and Avocado Intensive Conditioner. I'm going to open them. Since they're different smells, I'm going to open them. They're 2 fluid ounces. That smells, so it says primrose. It has a very spicy smell to it. And the lavender and avocado conditioner. I don't smell anything. I don't smell anything. Okay. Anyway, there's the packaging. All right. I'm going to put that aside. We do normally get, like, when we get shampoo and conditioners in beauty boxes, they're usually 3 fluid ounces. So, yeah. Okay, so this says the John Masters Organics Evening Primrose Shampoo and Lavender and Avocado Intensive Conditioner. Bring dry, tired hair back to life with these nurturing botanical blends comprised of strengthening evening primrose oil, soothing lavender, and conditioning avocado oil, which will leave hair shiny and renewed. Okay. And there is a discount. You can get $10 off your order and free shipping when you spend at least $50 at johnmasters.com and you use the code GLOSSY10, and that is good through July 31st of 2018. All right. Not too excited just yet. Okay, this next product here is from DHC Skincare, and it is 1 fluid ounce, and this is a deep cleansing oil. Here is the packaging. All right. going to go ahead and open it up and smell it, I think, if I can do that. I don't smell anything. And I don't want to get any out. Okay. Let's see what it says. The full size of this is 6.7 ounces. This Japanese beauty cult favorite facial cleanser, which stars olive oil, promises to melt away makeup, including waterproof mascara and impurities alike, while delivering protective antioxidants straight to where you need them most. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and get this item out here, which I am not real happy with. This says Arizona Provenza Schuller Eau de Parfum. It is a perfume. There it is. It's wee little tiny. I mean, it's not a roller ball. It's not a little sample spritzer, but it is not a very large bottle at all. This has 0.17 fluid ounces in it. Oh, and it's just a little, like, daughter. Yeah, I can't do perfumes. I'm allergic to most perfumes. So I don't know why I just smelled that. I just did because I'm crazy. So I'm going to go ahead and put this somewhere else. But I'll go ahead and read it to you. It's a very expensive perfume, apparently. The full size is 1.7 ounces. So this is 1/10, 10% of a full size. Amazingly enough, it says a full size is $100. So they're saying this is like $10, right? Did I like calculate that correctly? Okay, from this storied fashion house comes a truly transportive scent. Just a few spritzes of this innovative blend of white cactus flower and creamy orris brings to mind expansive landscapes, adobe sunsets, and soft mountaintops. Off and away. Okay. I'm going to pull this item out next. It is from Glossy Cosmetics. This is a shade stick. Not quite sure what that means. It's in a little box, so I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. I'm not sure about this. So here it is. I think it's a contouring stick. I think. Okay. So it's in the shade Aloha. Yeah. So this is a bronzing stick. I don't know. I'll put some on the back of my hand. Probably shouldn't have done that. Probably should have put this in a giveaway box because I don't know that I'll ever use this. But there it is. And it says you can just blend it with a finger. So yeah, I mean, I can see that. It definitely blends out. I'm going to show you here in 1 second. So there you go. I mean, you can definitely put a shade with that. Definitely do like a bronzing. It's a little bit orange to be a contour, I think. I don't know. All right, what does it say? This says it's the shade sticks in Aloha from Glossy Cosmetics. This is Glow On Glossies. This buildable cream formula gives off the perfect sun-kissed glow, regardless of how bright it is. Simply swipe where you want some radiance, blend with fingers, and you'll be a silky smooth bronze goddess in no time. So I don't have a lot of experience with cream products, whether it be cream bronzers, cream highlighters, cream blushes, cream eyeshadows. If you'd like to see me do like a full face of cream products, let me know in the comment section down below. I think between like my different beauty boxes and stuff, I've gotten enough cream products that I could probably do a full face of cream products. And I think I've even bought a couple. Let me know if you'd like to see that video. Like I said, a full face of just like straight up cream products. Everything cream. Let me know. All right, the last item in here I am going to put in my giveaway drawer. It is a, oh no wait, hold on. I think this is gonna go in my giveaway drawer because I think I already have it. This is the Tarteist Brow Gel. I thought it was a mascara there for a second, but it's the brow gel. All right, so this is the Tarteist Brow Gel. That's what it looks like right there. I'm pretty sure I have this in my drawer, so I'm gonna put this in my giveaway drawer. This is, says this is the full size, so it's $19 value. The Glossy was $24 for that size. So it says, tame and maintain your brows and underlying products with Tarte's Genius Gel. A paraben-free, water-infused formula means no drying, no flaking, and a naturally clean finish with just a few quick strokes. Like I said, I'm pretty sure I have that product. So, all right, let's recap what is in our Glossybox this month. We've got the Glossy Cosmetics Cream Bronzer, the Tarteist Brow Gel, the shampoo and conditioner from John Masters Organics, the deep cleansing oil, which I might just put this in a giveaway because I've got a couple of other cleansing oils right now and I just don't use them all that often. So I might put this in a giveaway just so that somebody else can have the opportunity to try it out because I do already have that. Oh, and the perfume. That's a throwaway to me. I don't care if it's 0.17 ounces rather than just like a little tube, and I don't care if this is worth $10. To me, perfume is a throwaway just because I don't use perfumes. I'm allergic to most perfumes. I think I already said that, but they smell really nice. I really appreciate the smell, but they give me a headache. If I wear them more than just for a couple of minutes, I will get a headache. If I go into a room after someone who had a lot of perfume on, I will get a headache. So I'm very sensitive to scents. So there's my box. I think the box is adorable. The yellow box is adorable. I think the paper is adorable. But I do not think that the products in this box are worth $21 to me. Now, they do say that they do a mix of sample size, or what are they called? Not quite sample size. They're the larger sample sizes, whatever it's called, and full-size products. And technically, the Glossy Bronzing Stick and the Tarteist Brow Gel are both full-size products. They're kind of small, but they're both full-size products. So the Glossy Stick is $24. The Brow Gel is $19, and it says that they're the full size. The perfume is worth approximately $10. The cleansing oil, this is 1 ounce, and the full size is 6.7 ounces for $28. So I'm not going to do the math there. And the shampoo and conditioner, we've got 2 ounces for each of those. The shampoo at full size is 8 ounces for $16, and the conditioner full size is 7 ounces for $22. So, I mean, you do get a value of more than $21, but to me, it's not worth $21. Probably the only thing I will use is the shampoo and conditioner, and I will try the bronzing stick. This will probably go into my, I'll probably use this during my beauty box video at the end of the month. And if you want to see that video of all cream products, let me know and I will give that a try as well. Anyway, to me, this was not worth $21. I did find out recently, or at least I'm pretty sure this is the information I found out online, is that Glossybox and Look Fantastic are in some way related. I don't know if they're the same owners or what, but they're in some way related. So I did finally dump Look Fantastic. I finally broke up with them. And unfortunately, it seems like Glossybox is going in the same direction. And that makes me very sad. Yeah, that makes me very sad. I don't know. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already and you would like to be, please hit the red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I do upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below. What are your thoughts in this box? Am I being too harsh? Maybe I'm being too harsh. I just don't know. Yeah, let me know in the comment section down below what your thoughts are. And I hope you enjoyed this video. and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.